What's going on, guys? So in this video, I have a very special video, right? I want to call it, it's a new series, I guess you could say, and we're going to call it the account overviews. Why? Because it's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to be going over accounts, what's working, what's not, and showing you in the flesh what works and what doesn't, unlike other agencies that just push shit out of their ass and has no data to prove it. I'm going to show you the real data behind it. But anyways, today we have a client, Amari Group. They are based in California, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So let's go through some numbers. Obviously, they've been with us for a while. It was not 2022. I believe they were with us beginning of last year. So a little over a year now, right? Not bad, right? A little over a year now. Obviously, we have different iterations as we go. Let me move myself out of the way. Excuse me. So different iterations throughout the way, and I sort of want to just walk through. Why is it not working? There we go. Sort of want to walk through what some of the numbers are. So overall, as an average, we've generated 795 leads over the last year, give or take, at a $53 cost per lead. Obviously, you see some campaigns doing better, some campaigns do not as well. You can see where we're spending our most of our money, the iterations that we're making, and collectively we spent a little over $42,174.49 for this client. CPMs are a little bit high, obviously, given they're in California and a few other markets as well. So we call it local plus or semi-nationwide. Excuse me. CPMs aren't bad. Cost per click is a little bit on the higher side. I will be fully transparent. It's a little bit on the higher side, but obviously, given the feedback that we get from him, the lead quality is a lot better. So to me, it's worth it. I'd rather pay a little bit more for a better quality lead than a lot for a shitty lead, right? Click-through rate is decent. It's not the best, at least on the link click-through rate, but on the click-through rate based off of the ad in whole, so like the pictures, the headline, whatever the case is, it's above 1%. So for us, that's our KPI, right? So pretty much walk you through, I want to walk you guys through what we do on the ads whenever we work. So when we want to split test, the first thing is special ad category, right? So most people have the common misconception. I can pull it up right here. I'm not going to edit it, but right here, there's 4 different special ad categories. There's credit, employment, housing, and social issues. So most people, they tend to click housing. Why? Because it's real estate. We're dealing with houses, people selling their houses. The right thing to do is select housing, right? But what we've tested is that with all of our clients, this was before a while back. Now, obviously now we have data, so what works and what doesn't. We have data that whenever we split test the both of, here's a better way to put it. Most people that run ads to generate motivated sellers, they are targeting the housing category, right? So it's like going into a pond where there's 100 other fishermen, right? It doesn't really set you up for success, right? So for us, what we found is that Facebook doesn't care which special ad category you choose, rather that you choose one. Right? So for us, we were like, what is the next closest thing? And for that, it was credit. So guess what we did? We started running a bunch of credit ones, and we're getting the results that we're getting. So that's the one button you can change right now to get not only better lead volume, but better lead quality as well, right? So the beautiful thing is that when we work with the client for a good enough time, 8 months plus 12 months, a year and a half, etc., we have data, so what works, so we just iterate it, right? Obviously, we still have to be proactive and make sure that the results stay consistent. But overall, obviously, average leads contract rate for this client, I could be wrong, but I actually have his, give me 1 second. So right here, I actually have his full case study. Here's some of the markets he's in, $100 a day cost per lead, things like that. But if we know the average, with KPIs on Facebook, it takes 1 out of every 20 to 25 leads to convert into a contract, and that's if you're an average wholesaler, right? Your sales skills are not the best in the world. You're just an average salesperson. who you're not too experienced, you're also not a beginner, right? That's your average KPI. Obviously, we have clients that are doing them 1 out of 10, 1 out of 15, but that's the average, right? So if you do 795 divided by, let's just say 25 on the low end, that's 31 contracts. 31 contracts divided by 12, I'd say. Oh, whoops. That's about 2.5, so 2 to 3 deals per month. And if each deal is getting you 15, 18,000, give it an average, 15 to 20,000, you're making about 30 to 40K a month, which for the most people is not bad, especially if you're spending 3 to 5K a month on marketing. That's you're putting in 5,000, you're getting 30, 40,000 out. That's 6 to 8x ROAS, which is really, really healthy. So just wanted to share what a account looks like behind the scenes, if you would. So if you are an established wholesaler and you want us to build the exact same inbound marketing systems, that way you can get better quality leads, not only volume-wise, but quality-wise, increase your average assignment fee, decrease your average cash conversion cycle, and have control of your marketing. You know where the link is? It's in the description, and there should be one in the comments. Click that link, fill out the form. That way we know a little bit more about you. And I'd love the opportunity to speak with you and possibly earn your business. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got some value out of it. Again, my name is Benjamin, CEO and founder here at Bolt Deals, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.